Stop scrolling. You won't believe what these farm animals just did. Welcome to the farm meeting, and trust me, things just got serious. The cow says someone ate the farmer's hat. And the pig says, "Not me," before doing this. Meanwhile, the goats have taken over the tractor. I repeat, they own the farm now. But wait, here comes the farmer, and suddenly everyone freezes. The chicken makes a run for it, the pig plays dead, and the drama level is officially through the roof. Case closed, the cow wins. Farm justice has been served.
Thank you for watching.